Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Go on, it go on. It's dark.
Look at it nice, so.
Watch it. This was found during a search upstairs in cell 2. Personnel, you have to be vigilant. You have to be vigilant. Look at Miss Bramfield doing the surgery now. 2 water bottles joined together. Cell phone and battery found in it. Prisoners are very, very skilled. Very.
I'm not going to back of water, man. I'll slice it off. Then put me say I'm going to sing this and keep
So it's a phone and a battery, Bramfield?
Phone and 2 batteries.
2 batteries, okay. What type of phone is that?
Nokia.
Nokia.
And just drop it down like a skirt. That's it.
Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing I like to point out, you see, is that there are specific rules about how prisoners communicate with the general public, that are the people that are outside of the prison. You see it? When phone calls are being made, right, from within the prison or any way possible, it is supposed to be monitored by officials of that correctional facility. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, depending on the case and the person that them be, I think that some are allowed. I am not 100% sure about that point when we just make that part here, but the other part about the rules where it's supposed to be monetized, it is for a fact, sure, isn't it? And these things are done for the protection of the public, civilians, people that are outside of the prison. You understand? Because then, you know, them really don't want prisoners to call on the outside and fix things to happen to other people. You see me? So these things are made for the protection of others, like the innocent people, the people that are out there. You see? Now, this that me just show you a while ago are the ways. You see me? This is one of the ways that prisoners hide not only cellular phone, but other things that are not supposed to be inside of a correctional facility or inside of a prison, I should say. You see me I say? And really and truly, when me see this, me have to just bring it to you, my viewers, let you know see this one. Me have to say, yo, this one really and truly, this is not a normal thing. See me? Prisoners are very skilled, and this shows the type of training that warders get. You see me I say? To make sure that the rules are kept up. You know, like the rules, they make sure that the rule is really in effect. You see? So what happened here so is that them give a search to a prison cell and them find this water bottle. The water bottle look very suspicious, and when them check it, this is the outcome. A Nokia, them say it is a Nokia cellular phone with 2 batteries hidden within or on or however it is placed with this water bottle to make sure that no one or no warder, no prison warder can realize that there's a cellular phone inside the prison. You see? But you don't know, me only bring to know hot on social media to keep on up to date and posted. You see it? Cellular phone hidden, you know, with a water bottle. The skills of prisoners are very skilled. Anyways, I don't know me bring to you hot on social media, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.